Weight loss has become a digital gold rush. Everyone wants a piece of the action. You have probably seen the slick ads for Gimme Care while scrolling through your feed. It looks like the future of medicine. It is clean. It is fast. It is seemingly affordable. But we need to pull back the curtain on what is actually going in those vials. This platform specializes in compounded semaglutide and tirzepatide. These are the chemicals that have taken the world by storm. They changed the game for weight management, but there is a huge distinction between the brand name pens you see at the local pharmacy and these compounded versions. Compounding means a licensed pharmacist is mixing the medication themselves. It is a custom job. It is not the same as the mass-produced, factory-sealed versions that have gone through years of specific clinical trials for that exact formula. This does not make them bad by default. It just makes the stakes much higher for the consumer. You are relying on the integrity of the pharmacy and the oversight of the telehealth company. Gimme Care presents itself as a transparent leader in this space. They lay out their pricing clearly. You can choose a 1-month plan or commit to 3 months for a better deal. That kind of upfront honesty is refreshing in an industry full of hidden fees. However, a nice font and a clear price tag are just the beginning. You have to look for the credentials. You need to know if the doctors on the platform are real people with valid licenses in your state. You need to check if the pharmacies they use are properly accredited. A legitimate operation will never hide this information. They will be proud of their medical team. They will have clear terms of service and a privacy policy that protects your sensitive health data. Do not just take their word for it. Go look for independent reviews on third-party sites. Look for the stories from people who had issues with their shipments. Look for the people who had questions about side effects and could not get a straight answer. Real-world feedback is worth more than any marketing copy. This is your body we are talking about. You are injecting a substance that alters your hormones and your digestion. That is not something to take lightly. There are no immediate red flags that scream scam when you look at the site. But that is exactly why you have to be extra careful. A professional veneer can hide a lot of flaws. Make sure you talk to your own primary care physician before you sign up for any subscription-based medication. You need a baseline for your health. You need someone who knows your medical history. Do not let the convenience of a web portal override your common sense. If a deal looks too good to be true, it might be. If the process feels too rushed, it probably is. This is not just about losing weight. This is about your long-term safety. Ask the hard questions. Demand real answers. Only move forward when you are certain the science matches the sales pitch. Stay sharp. Stay informed. Your health is the most valuable asset you have, and it deserves more than a quick click on a shiny website.